Hello?
Hey Matt, this is Gary Clark.
Hey Gary, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
We saw the listing and it looks like a pretty beautiful piece of property.
You know, it's a horse pasture, cow pasture.
Yeah.
Most of it is that. It's pretty quiet. And
Yeah. We
pretty slow pace out there.
Yeah, that's kind of what we're looking for. So we'd be able to build a house on it if we wanted to, right?
Definitely.
Cool.
Yep.
Yeah, have you received any other serious interest from anybody? Because I don't want to
A lot of it.
lot of
seeing
it.
somebody out there Wednesday morning at 10 a.m.
right.
Appreciate it, Matt.
Yep,
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
I think that went really well.
I think he's a straight shooter.
I think we need to call the bank now.
Wonderful afternoon here in New York. We look forward to seeing you back here soon again on American.
There's a realtor. He's taking us up to the property right now. The world's greatest huckleberry shakes.
It's amazing.
It's here.
What's here?
Open. Open it.
Am I really allowed to open it?
So what does this mean?
That means we own it.
I guess this means we have to go out there and remodel the cabin.
Welcome back to Montana.
Thank you.
You bet. We're supposed to get a bunch of snow tomorrow.
Great.
How much is a bunch?
2 foot.
This is actually the reason I come all the way out here.
I know. We drive 37.
Just for the huckleberry shake. It is 6 degrees, wind gusts up to 35 miles an hour, and the wind chill could be up to minus 25 degrees.
I didn't know that part to now. That's what I want to know.
How does that make you feel?
That makes me feel freaking cold.
We finished the job, ripped everything out. This dumpster is full. We're gonna have a celebratory icicle.
Oh my gosh. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh.
Good shit, man. Montana water.
The bad news is we couldn't remodel that building. It's too unsafe to turn into a livable space. The good news is you can buy anything you want on the internet, including a cabin. So we bought a cabin and all we gotta do is get it delivered and hook it all up. Sounds simple, right? Here we are, Missoula, Montana. Just landed. First thing I gotta do is go buy a pickup truck. Apparently, in Montana, they just let you test drive trucks by yourself. The Bison Inn Cafe. Huckleberry shakes. Time to go see if I can catch a few nice shots of this epic Montana sunset. I don't even know how to explain how ridiculous that sunset was. That was by far the craziest sunset I've ever seen. Cousin Austin, AKA the only person I know that has legitimate construction experience. I flew him out here to help me with this project because there's no way in hell I could do this myself. I'm going to the airport to pick him up now.
Hi, you reached Austin from P&L Construction Services.
Hopefully he's here. Give me a hug. Oh, so good to see you. You too, man. I got some news yesterday that the timeline has been expedited. So the cabin is now getting dropped today, which is a bit of a surprise, but could be a good thing if we get everything done today. He's the one driving the skid steer today because I don't know how to do that.
I don't either. I'm just winging it.
Look at the view, bud. Yeah. We just laid out where the cabin's gonna be. And Austin is getting himself figured out in the skid steer. And we're about to go to work. Let's start. There she is. The cabin is here. The gate is barely wide enough. It's gonna be a tight squeeze getting her in, but we'll get it done. He's got it. This guy is a beast. It's not looking good right now. The guy I contracted to help us with this project told me that he was able to connect all the utilities as long as we were able to dig the trenches to make that happen. Now I'm in a bind because this guy waits until this morning to tell me he doesn't know enough about it to finish the job. So naturally I'm very displeased right now. Frustrated, unhappy, pissed the f off. But we have to do the best with what we have to do what we can. That's pretty much it. Look who showed up last night. Woke me up at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Your wife is here.
Fuck.
Sorry.
Hey, there's the dance. We need to connect septic right here, water right here. And the toilet has been flushed. You know, after seeing everything that goes into getting running water, I feel like I have a much greater appreciation of having running water in your house. Septic is buried. The well is buried. The water lines are buried. The electric is connected. I'm exhausted, I'm sunburnt, I'm dirty, but I'm extremely happy because this place is just fucking beautiful. I can't wait for us to start renting it out, sharing it with people, but now that all the hard work's done, it's time to go have some fun. We're gonna go to the lake. I've been calling this place Mount Forge because Forgy boy. Forge, I'm gonna ask mommy if we can name our place after you. Is that okay? Nicole hasn't officially signed off on her. She's right behind me right now. And I'm gonna put her on the spot and see if she does it. So I have a serious question.
I know what it is.
Can we call this place Mount Forge?
Okay. It's like climax.
She said yes, Mr. Performance. Oh my God, she said yes. Mommy said yes. Oh, we can do it. She said yes.
Thank you so much for watching. If you want to visit Mount Forge, you're more than welcome to. We just made the listing go live on Airbnb. The link is down below in the description. Also, I'm going to be creating a bunch more videos about this place coming up. I'm going to be sharing content from the people that are staying there. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. Follow Mount Forge on Instagram. All the links are down there. Thank you.